Hey guys, Southern Mom here, back for another video. Welcome back to my channel. If you have not already, please make sure to subscribe so you do see all of my upcoming videos. And I do have the 1,000 subscriber giveaway going on. The link will be below. To enter, all you have to do is click that link after you subscribe, and then you will be entered into the giveaway. So today we are going to go ahead here and we are going to do an unboxing, an e.l.f. haul. The box just came, so I'm going to open it with you guys, and we'll see these products. Love getting this, in the mail. It's amazing. And I don't know if you guys have watched the video that I did the live, but in that video I explained that until, within the last year, I honestly did not realize that e.l.f. was available anywhere other than Target. So a little bit behind in that. So now I do know that, you can buy it at Walmart as well. Obviously the website. So this is from e.l.f.com. This is from the website. So let's just get on in here. And what I like about e.l.f. and what has always drawn me to it is how affordable it is. I do definitely love my higher end stuff, but if you're on a budget and you need multiple products, you can get them with e.l.f. and still not break the bank at all, like barely but a dent. So let's get this open. Yay! All right, lots of stuff in here. First, you're our number one. Because we love you, get $10 off your next order of $30 or more at E.L.F Cosmetics. Yay. Okay, so first thing we've got is a sheet mask. It's coconut water infused moisturizing mask. So that's really cool. I believe this was like $2, $1 or $2. And then a brow pencil, spoolie on the end. Here it is in the color taupe. This again I think was about $2. And then this is the eyelid primer, shadow lock. It's in sheer. Again, like $2. Got some Wiley Hong, not sure. It's the Lash Luxe kit. Multi-dimensional lashes for full volume and length, and it's the one pair of lashes and a tweezer to help apply. So it does not include the glue. You can buy the glue separately. I believe that was just a few. Everything in here was, just a few dollars. Nothing was outlandish, which is awesome. And then this is just standard eyelash curler. So that's what I like about e.l.f. too, is they have such a variety. They have so many makeup products, skincare products, beauty tools, whether it be brushes or like the eyelash curler, just different things. They have lashes, just all kinds of stuff. So it's just great. This is Flawless Eyeshadow Party Purple. So it's got 4 different shades, which are all beautiful. A very pretty look could be made with that. And then this is the Flawless Face Brush by e.l.f. Don't want anything to fall. I'm taking it all out of the box so I don't get stuff confused. What is this? Okay, this is an HD lifting concealer in Fair. So that is nice. Ooh, I already have lipstick on, but okay. Moisturizing lipstick in Rosy Go Round. Fun, fun, fun color. And then we've got Correct and Set eye powder. It's a banana powder. Who doesn't love a good banana powder? And we've got a concealer brush right here. And then we've also got, this is wrapped up. All right, first in Moonlight Pearls, a baked highlighter. That's awesome. That's really pretty. That's a pretty, pretty color. And then a bronzing brush, which makes sense because the bronzing palette. So, yay. This is all great stuff. This bronzer palette is in Bronze Beauty. So, like I said, this is awesome. And, you know, looking at the website, like I said, none of these products were more than, you know, most of them were probably, I want to say like $1 or $2. And there may have been a couple that, you know, were $3 or maybe $5, but that would just be 1 or 2 items. And that's a lot of stuff in here. So it's amazing. That's what I love. I wanted to share with you guys the, you know, the variety of products that they have. I'm sure you guys know, but just to show, and my clock's chiming, sorry. So I don't know, I'm just excited to take these things out of the package, add them to, you know, my stash of makeup, and I love a good deal. I love a good deal. I don't know, again, if you saw the live last night. This is the eyeshadow palette that I got for $2 from Kohl's, the Mesmerizing Holographic, which I am in love with. I think it's beautiful. And I guess that's it, you guys. Like I said, I'll leave a link to the website for E.L.F down below. So head on over and get yourself some, you know, great products at low prices. Who doesn't love low prices? So if you have any questions, again, you are more than welcome to leave it in the comments down below. But I hope everyone has a wonderful day, and until my next video, I will see you guys next time. Bye.